private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey, you. So I'm going to be showing y'all my new squishies that I just got. And first of all, I had squishies before, so I just haven't been posting on YouTube for a long time because I'm on Cover Star and take it. So yeah, but let's get into it. So first off, I have the strawberry bread, and y'all stay tuned because I'm going to be wax cracking them. So the strawberry bread. Next, I got this cheese. And this cheese. I also have this cheese. They're super good. Yeah, it's very hard to squish through, so that's not really squishy. Next, I have this carrot. Y'all, these are my old dumplings that I never showed them you. I only showed y'all my yellow one, and I think I showed y'all my golden one. I'm not positive. Okay, so it's like the white stuff in it. It looks like it's clear. And I have the white one. It's the rare one out of the package. This peep is not that squishy. It's like a certain part of which is squishy. So yeah, they're okay. Wait, it's like more ASMR. I'm getting my nails done, so don't mind. They look very raggedy. Squishy, I'm going to be doing a squishy giveaway. Then after, I'm going to be doing in school August. I'm going to be doing a skincare giveaway. Then the December one is gonna be about cat's eye tickets. But anyway, if y'all wanna friend me on Roblox, so I haven't been friending people, but I need to get better at that because I have a lot of people say to me friend me. Y'all look. Y'all just keep going back up the press a little more. But yeah, and these people are friending mine. And so if you wanna friend me, this is me. Ray Heavy Cream RIL 4586. Y'all, I don't have premium, but I'm probably one of my favorites. Favorites. I don't know why I keep saying favorite YouTuber. So yeah. So it's her. I don't know so much. She's like my favorite. But I cannot find it. Lonnie's flag. I'm following her. She got a camera. But I really hope she accepts it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Anyone I know is that my bad. I'm just bringing a new bathroom, so yeah. But thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.